Hello everybody, this is Jasmine for the Embassy of Peace. I'm so looking forward to returning to Japan this December to do The Way of the Intergalactic seminar and contact. It's been incredible to spend the last few years in Japan and to feel the response and the openness of people there regarding living in the realms of deep, permanent peace and unity and harmony. People who are environmentally conscious, who are so interested in alternate nourishment and all our research into source feeding. And this is something we're going to focus on a little more this year as well. Simply because in the unified realms, people are vibrating in such a level of consciousness that they have no hunger anymore. They coexist in harmony, in unity, in a way where everyone's presence brings out the best in each other. And this is the sort of energy that more and more on earth are stepping deeper into through their meditations, through the lifestyle that they are choosing to live now, to be nourished from that pure and perfect nature we already carry within, to allow its frequency to dominate. And this really is the first level of contact that we've always talked about in all our Embassy of Peace programs. This contact, this merging with this very pure part of ourselves, which is just a vibration that is running through, pulsating through all of creation. And so it's accessible to everybody. And when we go deeper and deeper into that zone, we do start to have contact with some amazing beings of great light and great love and great wisdom who are, but they've been where we've been. They know what life in density is about. They know what living deep in the fields or the zones of duality is about, and the gifts that we get from living in duality and in such density. But many people now are opening up to a lighter way of being. And so I'm so looking forward to being with you all again in Japan, to go deeper into unity science, to go deeper into the Universal Harmonization program of the Embassy of Peace, because we do have 3 levels now that we are working with: the personal ascension reality, the global ascension reality, and also the universal ascension harmonic that we touched on in our Unity Reset program the last time we were in Tokyo. So this time we're going to go much deeper, deeper into contact, deeper into direct information, connecting in that channeled way. You know, as a group, we come into a harmonic where we can start to bring through some very beautiful flows of wisdom and love and power and information that really is beneficial for ourselves individually and collectively, and also for our planet, because we are moving into the most enlightened phase of evolution we could ever imagine, and way beyond what we could imagine. The way of the intergalactics, as we will be sharing this in this gathering, is just incredible. It's a wonderful methodology. It's a wonderful science that we can apply on Earth to really experience more of our own multi-dimensional nature, including being fed in a very different way, so we are free from all human hungers. This is Jasmine for the Embassy of Peace, and looking forward to spending time with you soon in Tokyo, Japan this December.